Look at that. Going down.
Power. Sige. Oh. Ha? Pagkamalay ko.
Ano?
Baka Rizal. Rizal.
Rizal.
Ano na to? Las Piñas.
You okay, babe?
Yung doon banda sa gilid. Port yun.
Yun, Makati. Ito Pasig.
Pasig. Daming bahay sa gilid, oh. Ano? Baby, wanna look outside?
Look outside, baby. Look pa. Look for our house. Look for our house, Tina.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now in our final approach. We are touching down in a few minutes. Please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened for landing. Thank you.
Yun o, Pasig yun, di ba?
Saan yung bahay nyo? Pagit. Saan yung bahay nyo? Ay, Makati yun.
Yun yung ano nyo. Ipapuntang C5.
Asan yung ano? Condo nyo?
Yun yung kita ko.
Yun. Nagsiswimming sa swimming pool.
Nag-high si Crystal.
Saan?
Like that, Tina?
Saan dyan? Nice, right?
Oh, McKinley yan.
McKinley.
Nandiyan yung Apple Lake. Apple Lake, ano? Apple View. Apple Valley.
Check na natin.
Ay, check nyo na. Hindi na din. Ayun, ayun sa kanila.
Ayun.
Ayun yung bahay nila. Ayun.
Nagahay. Dami houses na. Dati yung hat mo. Wow! Daming house.
We're here.
We're here.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wait, you might pop your head. Planes! More planes! ano nga to? Domestic airport yung luma. Kasi kadugtong yun na ito.
Terminal 4 ba yung luma? Mia?
Big plane. Kasi wala namang Zest Air dun sa 3 eh.
Kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparang pandaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino. Ang oras po ay 43 minuto makalipas ang ikas-10 na umaga. Tayo po ay patungo sa Manila Domestic Old Terminal para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo hanggang ang sasakyan ay ganap ng nakahinto at ang babala sa pagkabit ng seatbelt ay hindi na nakailaw. Maaari po ninyong kunin ang inyong mga hand-carried baggage kapag ang sasakyan ay ganap ng nakahinto. Sa ngalan po ni Kapitan Paul Abaw at ng buong Zest Air Crew, nagagalak po kaming nakapaglingkod sa inyo. Inaasahan po naming magkikita-kita pa tayong muli. Maraming salamat po at maligayang pagdating dito sa Maynila.
We're here.
We have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. The time now is 44 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning. We are now proceeding towards Manila Domestic Old Terminal for your proper disembarkation. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until seatbelt signs are switched off.
Did you see our house?
For safety reasons, please do not remove your hand-carried baggage from storage until the aircraft comes to a full stop. Before deplaning, please check your seat pockets, your sitting area, and the overhead bins for any hand-carried items you might leave behind. On behalf of Captain Paul Abaw and the entire Zest Air crew, thank you for making Zest Air. It has been a pleasure serving you. We hope to see you again soon in one of our future flights. Have a pleasant stay here in Manila or wherever your final destination may be.
Say wow. Oo. Okay, say bye. Turn it off. Bye.